With incredible views of Sarasota Bay and the Ringling Bridge, you will fall in love with the modern design elements, luxurious finishes and functionality in this completely renovated residence. The open floor plan is a true sense of open living while at the same time offering a feeling of intimacy and serenity. The kitchen features deluxe appliances, granite counters, a small built-in office space, and much more. A walk-in laundry room/pantry presents efficient space for storage. The HVAC system and all appliances were replaced in the past couple years. Amenities include a Bayfront heated pool, a day dock for visiting watercraft, covered parking for owners and plenty of guest parking. Golden Gate Point is a graceful urban community located in Sarasota's world-class cosmopolitan core with a nice renovated streetscape throughout the neighborhood. Convenient to the downtown area with shopping, theater, dining and the performing arts are just steps away, and just over the Ringling Bridge awaits the enjoyment of street Armands Circle and Lido Key Beach. This is a great opportunity to own a slice of Sarasota's idyllic lifestyle. Call for your showing today.